To enable power saving mode for mobile hotspot to save more battery in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap mobile hotspot and tethering, tap mobile hotspot. Next, tap configure and then tap advanced to see more options. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on option next to power saving mode to enable this option. The switch turns blue when it's on. Tap save button to save the change. The power saving mode option for your mobile hotspot has been enabled. When this option is enabled, your phone will analyze your mobile hotspot traffic to help you reduce battery usage. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.